So Wordle is a really interesting application that you can use to create some pretty stunning visuals that you can use in your classroom. One of the greatest things about Wordle is it is very quick and very easy to use. It's entirely web-based, so there's no software to install on the computer. You simply go to wordle.net and create your Wordle. So the best way to understand Wordle is to make one. So here I am on Wordle's website. I'm going to click the Create button, and all I need to do is type in or paste in a bunch of text in that text box. I have some text ready to go. Real basic, simply the colors of the rainbow to get us started. Click the Go button, and your Wordle will get created for you. So you can see how it works here. Words on a page. It's colorful, it's very interesting to look at, and I can click the randomize button to change the way it looks. Once I find the design that I like, I can print this, hang it on the wall, could be very nice, or I can open it in a new window. This can be really helpful if you are using the Wordle to project, using a classroom digital projector. And it could be a great device, visual device to lead a discussion on. A couple other options you have when you are in Wordle is, let me close that, is you have a menu bar and you can tweak your Wordle slightly to customize it so it fits exactly what you're looking for. One of the things you can do is you can play around with the font a little bit. You can change the layout. Horizontal can be particularly helpful for students. Obviously, it can make your words slightly easier to read. And then you have some color options as well. So if you just wanted a contrasting poster, contrasting Wordle, you could do that very easily. So it's good to spend a little bit of time playing around with the menu choices to see what you can do. And that's it. The thing I like about Wordle is it's really simple in concept, but as you start creating them, you'll come up with more and more uses of what you can do with it. So I've got a couple examples that I'll share with you to get those creative juices flowing. So I've got a Word document where I've got some text typed in, and this is a really easy way to kind of get your Wordle started. You start in a Word document, save that so you can copy and paste anytime you need it. So one simple way to use Wordle is simply for lists. So teachers love lists. Lists are very useful. This is just a list of teachers in the 7th grade. So I can copy this and paste it into my Wordle and click Go. And just like that, I have a list created of all the 7th grade teachers for a given school year. So this could be nice, obviously, to hang on a wall in the 7th grade wing of the building. And again, you just click the print button and you can print it. And if you've got a large format printer, you can print a nice, nice size poster of this. So there's one idea. Let's hammer out a few more ideas. So to use it as a teaching aid, you could very simply create a list of, in this case, linking verbs. So language arts teacher teaching this lesson. And this, again, could be a nice poster to hang on the wall to remind students what the linking verbs are, or it could be great to project it up on the wall using your digital projector, and you could lead a discussion from it. Hey, students, we're getting ready to learn about the linking verbs. Here they are. So that could be very nice. More ideas. Wordle can handle foreign text as well without any problems. So Spanish, common Spanish terms and phrases. Click on Create. Let's keep going. SAT words. So I found a list of the 100 most common SAT words. Here's some of them. So this could be helpful in a high school classroom potentially. And it goes on and on in terms of what you can do with this program. So really the best thing to do is to get started and just start creating some Wordles. On the Wordle homepage, there are plenty of examples. Now, these are public examples, so sometimes they're not always totally appropriate for students to see. They are not censored in any way, so I would suggest maybe you looking at these, but use them with caution if you're planning on using some of these public samples with your classroom. But it can be a great place to go to learn more about Wordle and what you can do with it. So give it a try. It takes seconds to create your first one, so there's no reason to go for it. All right, I hope you enjoy Wordle.